Welcome! Today I am with Citroen C3 2020 and I will show you how we can change date and the time settings. So at first we have to move to our touchscreen and tap on the home icon. Next we have to go for the settings and then pick date and the time from this menu. If you want to change date, click here, and as you can see in this place you can set up day, month and year. You can make it by tapping on these arrows. And after that you can go back, and the same with the time settings. So we can change hours and minutes by tapping on this minus and plus icons. We can also enable or disable 24-hour format by tapping right here. If you set it up, you can just go back, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.